Yo, what up you guys? Well, I just want to throw this in the usual video episodes with either one of my cars. Just have content off it, because you know they say if you haven't recorded or take a picture of it or whatever, it didn't happen. I'm doing my daily errands as usual, so I got some stuff to bring to Goodwill, and I'm also gonna go to the car part store, return some stuff I didn't end up using on my friend's car. Also, I just wanna tell you guys, just kind of like as a shout out, you know, if you have a lot of stuff that you're not gonna wear, you know, at Goodwill, as you take your shit to Goodwill and give it to those people who are not as fortunate as you are. So you know, you do some good deeds. At least try to do some good deeds, right? That's all you can do. So see you guys later. Park next to you, but there is no room, so right here. This is close, you know. Well, that's a classic too, right there. Okay. I was beat the fuck up, but hey, it drives good. So I got this lifetime warranted, thanks to O'Reilly Auto Parts. Fuck, I can't talk. So right now I just started replacing the tensioner with the new part, but I also noticed my harmonic balancer is slowly going out. It's not that bad yet, but I gotta keep an eye on it. And also I have a front main seal leak, which is very slow, but it keeps moisturizing, you know, my parts, which I don't want. So eventually I want to tackle that job. I didn't thought I'm gonna make this video, but just in case, I can make this real quick. If you have this engine like an i30 Infinity, Nissan Maximas, and probably a lot of similar era VQ30 motors, even if you take it apart and you forget, or even if you just replace this pulley on it, because mine broke, the extra adjuster broke on the old one back when I replaced it, and I had to put it back together, and I kind of forgot. But just in case, I want to show you guys how it goes back together. It's very simple. I mean, you can't really mix it up because it can't go on any other way than this. And I don't know if you saw, it goes in with these little alignment marking, or whatever you would say, cut. This one you have to spin it all the way on already, this adjuster, and then you just fish it in. And another thing is, this is where it gets tricky. There. Okay. And the reason this one is closer here, because the next one is gonna be that pulley soon, pretty much. You have this spacer to space it out, you have this dust cover, and you can't really mix up how this pulley goes, because the deep side, the groovy side, goes into the dust cover and the spacer. Then it just gets this washer. So it's a very simple setup. Make sure there is no dirt on it or anything like that. And then it just locks it with this, which is also your lock nut, so it locks the whole tensioner. It's a very simple setup, but just in case, if you guys manage to mix it up, this is a good I guess guide. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it in there. Also, I didn't show you guys, the actual bracket is very simple to install. It has 3 of these 12mm bolts, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. All you have to do is kind of push up on this tensioner, because it's just gonna go all the way down. Pretty much 3 bolts back, made sure those are tight. You wrap the belt on the bottom around the AC, on the top of the alternator. Very simple routing underneath the tensioner and above the crankshaft. pulley harmonic balancer. The power steering belt is a separate belt on this car, so very simple. And then now we're gonna go on the top. Spin this bad boy clockwise in order for that thing to come up. And actually watch, it's gonna start pushing down on the pulley towards the bottom, tensioning the belt. You know, even if you mark it, you change the belt, it's hard to tell you on the tension exactly how far you gotta go, but probably the best bet is pretty much feel wise. You gotta feel when this tensioner kind of stops. Too much excess, so this is about here is good. Maybe I go a little bit less and then I tighten it up and start up the car and check it. It sucks because I hate doing things twice, you know. I mean, I'm finished with the service for now, and definitely it's gonna last another 5 years. Probably that's how long the other one lasted, which is, to be honest, really great because I haven't even went to automotive school. So when I replaced that tensioner, I wasn't even like thinking to work on cars. So that is pretty crazy for an aftermarket product. I would say that's pretty good, and with a lifetime warranty, so can't complain about that. I'm just gonna put one more thing back on it and write the list what else I need and try to collect the parts, and hopefully I can knock out this left side project, and the rear main seal is gonna be another day's project, you know, dropping the transmission. Yeah, that's pretty crazy how the clouds are coming in. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna show.